day trading is a job and it's not a fantasy. Now, the truth is never popular on the internet, especially on my channel, because I spit some truth and not many people like the truth, but I'm going to say it like it is, right? A lot of people think that if you go into the stock market, the forex market, you're going to be successful, especially when they follow a specific guy or a specific YouTuber that is marketing for them and living the lavish lifestyle, traveling and these nice equipments and everything, etc., etc. And you believe, you know, if you go into the forex market and go into the stock market, you're going to become like this YouTuber. Absolutely not, right? How can you expect to go into a job, a regular job? You know, people go to college for 4 years, 5 years just to get a degree, just so they can get a job. And so they can learn the skills. How can you go into a job not knowing the software to use, how to edit, how to use whatever your job is, right? If you don't have the skills necessary, and many jobs won't hire you if you don't have an internship, i.e. a practicing 6 months, so you can do that job properly. And that's where you start getting paid, right? It's similar to trading, whether it's forex or stocks. You can't go into any market right now, whether it's forex, stocks, cryptocurrency, whatever it is, whatever you're trading at the moment, or day trading. You can't go into that market expected to be a millionaire in the first month. Because I know a lot of people begin to say, you know, especially when you make money, your first trade, maybe it's profitable, but that's beginner's luck, right? Anybody can make money in the stock market as a beginner. But the whole objective of trading is to be consistent at the end of the day, right? If you want to be consistent, you have to be educated and you have to put in the practice. That's your internship, the education. You know, you could be self-taught, I guess, or you can actually take courses. Now, I might look like one of those professional marketers right now with this nice penthouse, and I also have courses also, but it's not about my courses and it's not about this lifestyle. I just need you to look at trading like a business or a job. It's a job, it's not a fantasy. It's not a fantasy, right? You don't live like this every day. You'll notice yourself. I mean, if you look at my older videos, you see I was eating frozen food because I didn't have time to trade, or I didn't have time to cook, and I had, you know, I was lonely at that time because I had focused on and I documented the whole thing. So there's nothing, you know, there's nothing wrong with me showing on YouTube, but that video didn't get many likes, to be honest. You know why? Because I was telling the truth in that video. So if I fake it, I get more likes than I would be if I was telling the truth. So you see what's going on now? People want to hear what they want to hear, but they don't want to hear what they need to hear. That's a problem. It's a problem in the stock market. It's a problem in the forex market. Always take what you see on YouTube with a pinch of salt. And that's why I say go practice what I taught you and then come back if you're ever interested in any of my courses. Because day trading nowadays, it's such a fantasy. You know, you want to be sitting at a laptop with this nice penthouse, or go travel with the beach and get a girl in a bikini hand you some Coronas, some alcohol, some beers, and you think that's trading, right? It's not. It's not. If you haven't put in the work and became consistent, mark my word, you won't live that lifestyle. It could take 3 months, 6 months, a year, 2 years, 3 years. But I always said in my last video, if you're not becoming consistent after 1.5 years, 1.5 years of trading, then you might as well quit, because you're not taking it seriously and you don't really want it. No, you just pick it up and drop it. You know, some people put their money in one stock. They make money and then they go into the next stock just like that, blind. And they lose money, or they make money and they say, yeah, I'm about to make $1 million this month. And then guess what? They lose all their money and they're wiped out and they get out of the stock market. Majority of people that have done that, that's why 95% of traders don't, you know, make it in the stock market. It's because of that. Remember, 95%, so majority of you guys will drop stock trading or forex trading, whatever it is. Now, I don't want to talk about forex trading because it's not my thing, but stock trading, you'll drop it at one stage of your life because you're not serious about it. But if you're serious about it and you really want it, you can go out there and make something happen for yourself. But just like you would go to college, graduate from college, go and get an internship, and then go and get a job so you can start making money, it's the same with day trading or stocks or trading in general. You have to educate yourself, whether it's taking an actual course from someone who knows what they're talking about. You don't have to take my course, by the way. It sucks. Don't go near my course. Anyways. Or you actually practice. You practice the hard way, and then you go in with demo accounts, trading, failing. That's your internship right there. Demo account, paper money, that's your internship. Then you move on to the stock market, and that's where you start, you know, dabbling small amounts of money. Maybe you become consistent after 2 months, maybe 3 months. 3 months, right? Then you make your first big sums of money. 50 grand, 100 grand, you know, whatever it is, you save it up, save it up, save it up, and it all adds up. And then you go ahead and start traveling the world and do whatever you want, because you have to build yourself a foundation. Take all that money you made from trading and buy property, buy whatever, pay off your home, pay off your house. That is the algorithm of becoming successful. But many people think that they just want to become millionaires straight away. No, not many people become millionaires. Not many people become profitable in trading altogether, right? If you don't have the right person that you're following, and the right strategy, the right mindset, you're not going to make it in the stock market, and that's the reality. Yes, you might make money every now and then, but it's not consistent. That doesn't make you profitable, because your losses are going to exceed your losses, or your losses are going to exceed your profits, and at the end of the month, you're going to be in the minus, right? So, if you really want this, treat it like, I guess, a college intern, a college course, and then you go in with your paper money. That process could take 6 months for some people 3 months, right? So you go in, learning how to trade, or learn how to trade from a course, then your paper money, then your actual money, and that's your learning curve here. That's you learning the hard way, and then that's when you see your profits. And guess what? Everything you spent, you know, the course that you bought, the paper money, the time you spent on that paper money, the trade in paper money, and the time that you, I guess, put in with your actual small account and learning from those mistakes and actually losing some money also and recouping that money, all of that will be recouped and tripled, or whatever. Not tripled, but I guess it goes up by 1,000%, because now you know what you have to do, and you're taking those risky moves, because now you know how to manage risk. You know exactly how to manage risk, and you know exactly how to get in and out of a stock, and you know how the stock market works. There you go. You just became an expert at trading. You just became an expert at your field, right? It didn't happen overnight, right? Now you became an expert. Now you spend the next 1 year making money in the stock market, saving it, and at the end of the year you pay off your tax, and there's your profits sitting in your bank account. You can pay off the mortgage, you can buy your home, whatever it is. And that's really the process. That's exactly what I've done. But I was living like a bum, even when I was making money. That's called being smart, right? That's the way you need to view this, to be honest. It's a positive video. It's not a negative video. It's not a depressing video. You know, you don't want to hear. I can't tell you everything's going to be sunshine and rainbows. It can't happen. It's not on this channel, but I will teach you the right way, and this is what I do in my videos. I will kind of preach what the right way of going on about trading, and that this is it. This is it. If anybody disagrees, put it in the comment section. Let's see how gullible you are. It might be depressing. That's okay. It is depressing. It is depressing. It's depressing because I'm not telling you you're going to be successful overnight, or in the first week, the first month of your trading, you're going to make $1 million. Nah. If I put you in IBM right now and told you to develop software, would you do it? No, because you don't know what to do. So how do you expect to make money in forex or stocks? Right? It's the same way. So, you can do it. Put your back into it. That's a song, alright? I believe in you. All you have to do is educate yourself. I'll see you again for more videos, guys. I just want to kind of put you on the right path, because a lot of people are investing their money in courses and, you know, $1,000 and this and that, but in their back of their head, they're like, yeah, if I get this course, I'll be a millionaire tomorrow. No. I mean, some of my students have been paper traded for the past 6 months. Other people have went in with money, and now they're actually profitable, being consistent. You know, I've only had 2 people now saying they're consistent and showing me screenshots. I believe them. I don't know why they would lie, but the majority are still in the paper trading phase or with real money, but they're still learning from those mistakes they're making, because everybody has to learn mistakes as a cycle. But yeah, that's the way it goes, guys. I appreciate you for watching. See you again for more videos. Leave the thumbs up if you want. If you want, leave the thumbs down if you didn't like this video, if you didn't like the honesty part of things, because I always talk about how to make money. I don't talk about these kind of videos. It's important to cover these topics. Peace and love, just like always.